we got married, we said like divorce is just never an option. Like I learned from my parents what I don't want to do, which I think a lot of us do, that like marriage is going to take a lot of work. And there's going to be hard seasons and there's going to be easier seasons. And even right now, he's like sick and what's he's going to kill me for this. He was snoring in bed last night, which he never does. He is like solid, quiet sleeper. And I had to sleep on the couch last night. So I'm like, I can't sleep next to you. And he woke up this morning and he's joking. He's like, but for better or worse, for health and sickness. And I was like, you can be sick, but I don't have to sleep in the same bed as you. So anyway, like there's going to be hard seasons. Like right now, like ministry is really hard for us right now. And we're going through our own hard season. And we've just learned in these last few months to lean into each other even more.